Hello everyone, welcome to Explore CSC Knowledge. Today we are going to learn about strings or arrays. Strings in Python are all arrays of bytes representing Unicode characters. However, Python does not have a character data type. A single character is simply a string with a length of 1. Square brackets can be used to access elements of the string. Here is the example. We are taking a variable a and is equal to inside the double bracket we are writing suppose hello world string. To print a single character like strings we are just simply variable and inside third bracket we are write down what strings we are want to show. So if we run it on the Google Cloud, suppose we are taking a variable x is equal to inside the double quotation we are taking a string hello world. To print this we are using print function inside write the variable and just write down what character or strings we are want to show. Suppose I am write down 1, so what will be the output? It will show the character e. Here is the output we are seeing. It shows us E because for the first character it's counting from 0. That's why 0, 1, in 1 we are seeing E. Next we're talking about looping through a string. Since strings are arrays, we can loop through the characters in a string with a for loop. Here is the example. For x we are taking a variable in banana, then simply print the variable. What we are seeing, just run this code on the Google Cloud. Indentation error. It's showing us indentation error. We are not indent properly. That's why it's showing us error. Okay, let's run again. In string looping through a string we are it's showing us an output character by character. What we are taking for x in banana, in simple print the variable, it displays the character by character. That is looping through a string. So string length, the length function, length function is used to get the string length. Suppose we are taking a variable hello world. We are want to know the whole string length. What we are print? We are using len function inside the print function and simply put the variable what we are taking. Let's see an example. Suppose we are taking a variable a inside double quotation we are writing hello world. So we want to know the whole string length. Simply we are using print function. Inside we are using len function and just simply write down the variable what we are taking. Then run the cell. Here we seeing it displays as 12 because what string we are taking, its total length is 12. That's why we are seeing the length is 12.